Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, if I have to start with the S&P 500, the US markets are going great at the moment. As you can see over here, as you can see over here, it made its all-time high closing in the weekly. As from here you can see it, and it seems like maybe it can be go through like the 6,875 for make it its ground, it's solid or not, to make sure. And it seems good at the moment. With the AI hype, I'm still thinking the US markets are going for its all-time highs again with the again and again. Okay, so if we are going to go with them. Okay, that's the real situation. This is the gold. This is the weekly gold, as you can see over here. In the one day, this is one day. In the one day, all the gain from yesterday, all that gains from the a week behind of us, it loses it, as you can see over here. It gained up and down in just in one day, and in daily, on the Kaufman moving average is broken. The Fibonacci points is broken. This is seems not a good at the moment. The goal is to make its bottom for checking its bottom through like 4,350, but this is danger. This is not a good candlestick. If I have to continue with the silver, well, I told about silver, but I won't say well, and two days ago or 3 days ago I mentioned about silver, but I don't want to talk about it. So, well, in 2 days ago or 3 days ago I made a video about the danger in silver, but it's not a. It doesn't matter anymore. This silver is a time bomb and it got exploded at the moment. As you can see over here, it gone through the 82 points from, well, as you can see over here, it gone through like the 81% price increasement in the 38 days silver, and it gone rejected from the Fibonacci point and it going back to its Kaufman moving average level. I think the silver will break it, and it can be go through like the 50 level, for my opinion. It seems like it, and there is it can be 30 40% chance of decline from its all-time high, so we will see about it. Well, if I have to go with the platinum was very behind with this bigger brothers, and it closed its gap. In my video I told you about just sell here. I said 2,275, just sell it, it's enough. The profit, it's good with the pocket itself, I said, and that was okay. Oops, pardon, my cell phone. And it gone through past like 2000 level. It hit the all-time high with the Fibonacci level, and then it got rejected, and even the Fibonacci level, it bounced from the Fibonacci level and it gone back to Kaufman moving average and break the Kaufman moving average. It seems the US markets are open right now, and this is a threat. This is not futures. This is not future at the moment. This is not seems good. It can be seen as, it can be go through like the one. It can be go through like the 1650, maybe. So if I have to continue with the Dow Jones, well, the Dow Jones seems good at the moment. Made its all-time high closing next week. It made its all-time high closing before the week, and right now it seems good. I still thinking it can be go through like the pass through it, and made its way with the old US markets, as I mentioned in the before my video. The Russell 2000, it's break its all-time high, so all the US markets are going up right now. So I am very positive about the US market itself. If I have to continue with the Nasdaq is just fall behind of its other S&P 500 and Dow Jones, but it's not a problem, it will catch up soon. There's a little gap happened over there and it will be uh, fixed in the time. Well, if I have to talk about the Bitcoin itself, the Bitcoin it made its bottom to like 85,000 over here, but it seems a little bit danger over here. When we go and look for a 4-hour chart, when it gone past through like the 88,500, always a selling point, as you can see here. See here. This is a maybe liquidity hunt, but also sold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it happened. Maybe a whale can be selling in here. This is not a good sign at the moment for the Bitcoin. We have to see about how will it go. Well, I mentioned about the Bitcoin itself, there could be a whale in the Bitcoin selling at the moment, but if it's going to happen, I would suggest you to buy. I wouldn't suggest to buy Ethereum, XRP at the moment, because they are all affecting from Bitcoin itself, because the Bitcoin is a locomotive at the moment and Ethereum and XRP are following them. So until the Bitcoin made its way to the up, I don't suggest to buy Ethereum at the moment. Well, it seems like in XRP seems cool right now. It made its bottom through like this, and but well, it seems like the XRP made its bottom like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It is good, but the Bitcoins, there is a whale alert in the Bitcoin. It seems so, because it seems so there's a whale in the Bitcoin, as you there's always someone selling from 88,500 at the moment. So I'm not very optimistic about the Bitcoin itself. We have to see what's going to happen. So I don't suggest for myself to buy XRP at the moment. Well, if I have to go with the Monero is, if you are going to look at the daily, Monero is hit its all time and check its ground is solid or not for 434. It got bounced, and 441 levels, it seems it stays above the level highs from all. It stays above the 430, this level. This seems good. Just holding Monero is good right now, for I'm talking about myself, and we will see what's going to happen in the future. See ya.